Good evening, 2E1CQ for Ham Radio 3.0, my YouTube channel. That's the Anytone AT-D168UV, the latest entry-level DMR radio. Let's have a look at a couple of pictures. As I was searching the internet, I noticed that one of our emporiums we got over here, Martin Lynch & Sons, I've got the price up, $119.95. That's a very good deal for an entry-level DMR radio. Let's have a look at the website. It's gone there somewhere. Let's put the search out. There it is. Funny enough, when you actually search it on Google, it said they've actually got it in stock, but when you actually go on the website, it's for pre-order, $119.95. One good radio, I reckon. That gives you a rough idea what it actually is. C-type charging. On UHF band, it's 400 to 480, and the VHF 136 to 174. DMR and obviously analog. No GPS or Bluetooth. Includes 2 antennas, short and long. And this is a good deal breaker. But to be honest, includes 2 batteries. 1800 milliamp battery and a 2500 milliamp battery. C-type charging, as I said before. That's one good DMR radio. Well, I hope it to be. No doubt with a good name of Anytone it will be. Check your local emporium or your favourite emporium. Excuse me. Send them an email, make inquiries and find out the price from them. If not, Martin Lynch & Sons. Great little radio, good price. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. 2E1CQ 73s.